In this screencast, I will be giving you a brief overview of our digital badges and highlighting some elements about Passport that will help you accomplish those badge requirements. As you can see from this list, there are quite a few badges you will be working on during this term. Make sure you access and use the badge scorecard as well as this badge description sheet to help you plan when your badges should be completed. Although we're going to be giving you some independence on selecting which badges you complete and when you get those turned in, you still have certain due dates within the schedule, so watch for them carefully. Always remember, this is mastery learning. When work on the badges and get feedback to improve them. That feedback will help refine your work so that you can master the given challenges. In order to get the feedback, you can't wait until the very last day to submit the badge. So plan accordingly. Let's take a look at Passport and how the badges actually work. All right. In most cases, the badges for this course will have a similar look about them, and they contain similar elements. Once you work through one or two of them, you're going to quickly get familiar with all of those elements and be able to work through it very quickly. Each of the badges has this title page, if you will. All right, with various things up here of different groups and stuff. Some of this you'll be able to see. Some of it is the teacher's version, if you will. Okay. In most cases, the badges for this course will have this similar look. Take a look at each one, and then you'll see that there are certain things here. For example, over here on the left side, you'll have the badge icon. These icons will change over time, and as we adapt them and get things along and improve them as we go. All right. The other thing is over here is the menu. So you can go through and you can see that here's the introduction to the overall badge, and then down below are the challenges. Okay. So here in the center, you'll see a section where we put the main purpose of the badge and what's going on, and I'll always try to put that there. Generally below that you will see inserted some type of background information, and sometimes we insert a scenario for you to work through and other things. Basically that scenario will help to set the stage for what the overall badge is about. There's also places in which we insert videos or other types of resources, so that it can be here and you can click on those and there will be various and different links that are there. All right. Now, if you go to one of these challenges, for example, this one, which you may have already worked through, so you'll see that each of the challenges are broken down into, or each of the badges are broken down into individual challenges. And generally, a badge, will have 2 or 3 challenges. This one happens to have 4. All right. This is the challenge one for this particular badge. Here is where you find the task that you're to complete. In many cases, there will also be ancillary materials that we'll include there, like documents or videos, something like you're watching right now. There will also be a list of things that need to be completed. So here's the challenge instructions, and then what you need to complete. All right. Once you complete and have done that, then you can click on this thing to complete the challenge, and it'll bring up a page that is very similar to what this page looks like, with one important addition. You'll notice that down here that there will be a submission area, whether it's open text or you can attach a document, attach a video, or attach a link of some kind, and so that you can put those things in there. It will tell you right here what is actually required for this challenge. So you cannot complete this challenge without putting something in this open text area. In some cases, it'll say without attaching a document or without putting in a video or a link of some kind. That will be the requirement. Sometimes it's multiple things that you have to insert there, but this will tell you basically what is required to get done. But we always try to include this open text area in case you need to submit some explanation of what's going on, or you want something to be noted by those individuals who are going to be giving you feedback. You can always submit information right here, and that will be read as your submission goes in. Once you've completed that section, then you just go down and you click the submit button, and it's turned out of your control. It takes it away and sends it over a notification to the individual who will be grading that and be giving the feedback. Once they've completed that, they will send you a note back that it has been completed, and you'll be able to go back in there and make the revisions that are necessary so that it's updated. And then you can move on to a different challenge, if you will, and complete that challenge. And so you can go through and get the information that you see, go through the challenge again. Once you're ready for that, then you complete this challenge by going there, clicking on that, and then going into the challenge area, and you'll see that There, it's opened up this submission once again so you can do it. And once you have completed, successfully completed, and it's been accepted, each of these challenge levels, then the badge is awarded and you've completed that specific badge. That's how it works. So best of luck in working with the badges and working within Passport. It seems to be a very good system that works quite well. It's our goal that once you submit any of these things that we will very quickly turn that around within 24 to 48 hours during a regular business week, if you will, that the TAs will, teaching assistants or myself will be able to get you feedback so that you'll know how you can improve that sections. That's what we're working on. Anyway, so best of luck in completing the badges. All right? Goodbye.